Hey y'all, I just got done watching a video of Leighs, and I thought it was quite interesting. She was talking about stuff that was on her mind, and one of the things she was talking about was time. And how it's kind of odd that her mom is in her 70s, and now she remembers when her mom was the same age now. Where did time go? You know, how time travels so fast, but yet she was waiting for her kid to get out of school or something. And time was going so slow in that particular case. So I thought I'd bring in a little bit of grizzology into this. Just my thoughts on it. Time is actually irrelevant. Time is created. It's not a set. Time is not set to anything. It has its own standard. Time is based off of what it's relevant to. But where I say that there is no such thing as real time is you take the universe. Time has a beginning and it has an end. And without having a beginning or an end, time is irrelevant. The space, the universe, has no beginning. It has no end. It will always be. And it always has been. So how do you put time to that? You can't. When is the universe, the space's birthday? You know, when did it first exist? Always has. So time is irrelevant. Then you talk about it in that of a human life. What is time? Time is a lifetime. Well, what is a lifetime? Well, some people, maybe only one day, unfortunately for some babies. And lucky individuals, well, they'll probably be 70, 80 years of age when they just lived their last good day of life. And there's no more good days left for them to live. And other people, it's 100, 510. But, you know, how long life is relevant to that individual and nothing more. I had to take a break for a second there. My wife was sweet enough to bring me another glass of iced coffee. But time is different for each individual. What you do in that time is what really matters. How you use your time. It doesn't matter if you only live a very short time or a very long time. It's what you do with that time that matters. Nothing else matters. It doesn't really matter how long it is. It just matters what you do with it. Use it wisely. Because time in life that we have, which is measured by our lifespan, not by the universe, but the time that we have that is measured by our lifetime, we can't ever get it back. Once this moment passes, it's gone forever. It will never come back again. Sometimes this measurement in life, we wish it would just hurry up and get over with. And other times, we wish it would just slow down. If y'all haven't checked out Lee Shannon's channel, check her on out. I'll try to remember to put her channel in the descriptions. And she usually makes some kind of a comment on my video, so I'll also peg it up at the top. So keep an eye out for that. If you can't find it, if I forget to put it in the descriptions, I'll remember to put in the descriptions once I see her name pop on up. But check out her channel. She's pretty cool. I was going to say old lady, and she ain't no old lady. She's a pretty cool young lady. But pretty attractive too, by the way. And I say that innocently, folks. Well, as innocent as I can be anyway. Just remember, folks, if the girls don't find you handsome like me, they can find you handy like me. And if they don't find you handy like me, just pray that they find you. Y'all come back now, you hear? Bye.